Something big just happened. Google has changed how we create images and videos and is offering it all for free. With this powerful tool, you are not just making random pictures. You can generate any style you want and even create a series of images that tell a consistent story. But it doesn't stop there. Those images, you can turn them into smooth, high-quality videos that look incredibly real. But that's not where the surprises end. There is a hidden way to tap into the power of Gemini Pro without spending a single penny. All you need is your Gmail account. Sounds unreal, right? Stick around, this is something you don't want to miss. Before we dive in, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on the latest updates. So, without further delay, let's get started. Whisk AI is a new image and video generation tool by Google, and its results are quite impressive. Right now, this tool is in the experimental phase and is completely free to use. Just click on this button and use your Gmail to log in. You will be directed to the dashboard of the tool. On the left side, we have options to generate consistent character images, but we will get to that in a couple of minutes. Let's start by pasting a simple text prompt. A lone cowboy walking through a dusty desert at sunset. At the bottom, we have a few options. With this one, you can try random prompts, but I will stick with my own. Here is the aspect ratio option. I will choose the landscape format. You can also lock the seed numbers for consistent generations. And here, we have the option to select high-quality output. Finally, click this button to generate the image. The generation process does not take long. Within a minute or two, we get cinematic-style images. And they look amazing, realistic, and sharp. Let's try generating another image with this prompt. An agent in a black suit running through an alley in slow motion. And here we have it, a stunning cinematic image. The result looks fantastic. To generate consistent characters, there are a few ways. Let's start by using the Refine option. Click this option, paste another scene prompt, and generate the image. The character looks about 80 to 90% consistent with the first image. Let's refine this image again for a new scene. Paste your next scene prompt and generate. And here is the new image. It looks even more similar to the previous one. Now, let's try another prompt to generate something realistic. Here is a realistic image of an elderly woman smiling in a sunflower field. This result is impressive, with detailed facial features. Let's test how it performs with cartoon or animation-style prompts. Here is a prompt I used. A cheerful fox wearing glasses and a backpack, standing in a colorful forest. Just look at the output. It is adorable and vibrant. Now, let's use the Refine feature again and paste a few more text prompts to generate a consistent character. This image has a slight bit of funkiness, but the background and character style are consistent. Here are a couple of refined images created with different prompts. Let's now test this tool to generate a complete story using Studio Ghibli style. Paste your text prompt for the first scene and generate the image. Look at this result. It is magical. Now paste the next scene prompt and generate the image again. Once again, we get a consistent and stunning result. By pasting all the scene prompts, we have created the images for the full story. You can see the consistency in characters and scenes across all the images. Another method for generating consistent characters, scenes, and styles is by using the options on the left. Start by pasting your text prompt or uploading a reference image. This will give you all the visual details of the image. Next, write down your scene details or upload a scene reference image. The tool will generate a scene based on your text prompt. Then, provide a style prompt, for example, 3D Pixar animation style. Now you will see a style reference image. Paste your final text prompt and an image will be generated with a consistent style and scene. Here is the result. It looks fantastic. Let's change the text prompt to generate another variation. And here we have another consistent result. By following this method, you can build an entire story image by image. Before moving to the video generation part, Let's discuss the method to get a Gemini Pro account for free for 1 year. Open the link in the description, and you will be directed to the sign-up page. Just log in with your Gmail account, and you will get the Pro account for free. Keep in mind, this offer is only available in the USA. So, if you have a US-based Gmail account, you can take advantage of it. You will be able to try Veo 2 for video generation, with some truly amazing and realistic results. If this method helped you, please subscribe to my channel. Now, let's move to the video generation part. Choose an image and click on the animate option. You can generate up to 100 videos. Paste your text prompt and click this button to start the process. Within a minute or two, your video will be ready. Here's an awesome 8-second video of a secret agent running down an alley. It looks super realistic. Let's animate another image. This time, I will skip the text prompt. As you can see, the character has some movement, but the background is still. So, it's better to use a prompt for more dynamic results. Using this process, I generated all the videos for my Studio Ghibli-style images. Here are the results. Believe it or not, these are next-level outputs from a free AI tool. Both the images and videos are high quality. Make the most of this tool to create amazing visuals for your next project. So, what do you think of this tool? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss the latest updates. That's all for this video. If you found it helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.